How to change audio language in YouTube videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, locate your YouTube application. But before that, make sure you have the latest version of YouTube. Go to your Play Store, search for YouTube, and then if there is an update button, tap on the update button. If not, simply open the application. Once you have got the latest version, simply select any of the videos. I am using Mr. Beast's video for the demo. Open the video and then here you should find an option of audio track. Tap on it and then you can change the language like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.